designing spaces, it's really important to us to be able to look at all the various elements that go into creating unique spaces. We love creating spaces that reflect our clients' personalities and spaces that can truly stand out. Hi, I'm Vinithra, the founder of VSpaces. One of the areas that's commonly ignored in a space is the ceiling, and we feel like adding that fifth dimension to the four walls that you're designing can truly elevate the look and feel of a space. This is what we found truly interesting about VOX India ceiling panels. Not just do they allow you and help you elevate the aesthetic of a space, but also offer you options that are high on performance. They are weatherproof, they are waterproof, they're termite resistant and fire retardant. And that means we are able to use them across multiple spaces that we design. The next time you're looking to design your spaces, these options from VOX could add that extra element to help you bring your space together.